Hello students, welcome back to Pillai coaching classes. Today we will study about the hydrosphere, tides and ocean currents. Now the meaning of hydrosphere, what does hydrosphere means? A hydrosphere in Greek, hydro means water and sphere of course since the earth is a sphere, that's how the term hydrosphere. A hydrosphere in physical geography describes the collective mass of water found on, under and over the surface of a planet. Hydrosphere is far more extensive than lithosphere on the surface of the earth. It is calculated that about 71% of the earth's surface is occupied by seas and ocean. The ocean have a greater extent of water in the southern hemisphere than in the northern hemisphere. So why do we say that maximum portion of the earth is covered by water? Because the surface of the earth, when we look at the earth from space, when we get satellite images, we can clearly see the earth is encompassed all over by water. Only 29% of land is visible from the atmosphere. 71% is occupied by water. Though there is land mass below the water, but that land mass is not visible unless and until we go to the bottom of the ocean and see the ocean floors. The land mass is not visible. Therefore, we assume it and we say that 71% of the earth's atmosphere, 71% of the earth is made up of hydrosphere. An extension of saline water on the earth is called sea. Large seas are called oceans. Seas are separated from ocean by a series of peninsulas or land pieces. So, what is an ocean? An extensive portion of salty water and extension of saline water on the earth is called a sea. Large sea areas are called oceans. That means oceans are a part of sea. Seas are separated from oceans by a series of peninsulas or land pieces. Do you understand what this means? How can we distinguish between sea and oceans? Oceans are separated by the sea by a series of peninsulas or land pieces. So the oceans would be touching the continent. For example, the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is named Indian Ocean because of the peninsula India. So also the other oceans of the earth, they are separated from the sea by a number of land masses, a number of peninsulas. A great success has been achieved in unraveling the mystery of seas and oceans because divers have reached very deep areas of the ocean with the help of scientific equipments. Nowadays, the floor of the oceans have been charted out on maps.